October 30th, Monday. Jesus' compassion beyond place and time. You are set free from your ailment. We see Luke portraying the compassionate face of God in today's Gospel. It narrates about a woman with a spirit that had crippled her for 18 years. Jesus is teaching in the synagogue and he sees everything, even the minute things happening all around. Knowing the human reality, he extends his compassion and generosity to all the people. His perception of the crippled woman has been different from what others felt about her. Jesus looks at her as a child of God. Out of this compassion, he invites the crippled woman to receive the greatest transformation in her life. Also, it is her readiness to receive healing from Jesus that made her well. Gospel depicts her attitude after being healed. She starts praising and glorifying God. If we get the divine touch of Jesus, we cannot be passive. Jesus also reminds us that there will be people who criticize us or disapprove of our progress towards healing or growth. Our conviction to good inspired by compassion and love should not be hindered by the consequences, place, and time. At the close of the Gospel passage, everyone is joyful, as we often say that happiness is contagious. Today, Jesus puts forward the question before us. Am I ready to get healed when Jesus is ready? Pray and practice. Let us not wait for the hour to come to do some good, so that the world may rejoice in the good acts of ours.